Gratitude. It is a very important to have a gratitude for whatever you have in your life. If you have a food in your life, have a gratitude about that. Okay, I have getting food right now. If you have clothes, you have a good life, if you have a better things, you have to always pay gratitude towards the God, because gratitude is very important in life. If you thank for anything, and if you love that, okay, I have get this, I get that energy and I'm thankful for that, then it will be very good for you and you will receive more from the universe. You will receive more or not, but you have to always pay gratitude towards everything, because you don't know, many people not have what you have now. And if you are not a grateful person, or if you are not showing gratitude towards it, then you are a very selfish person. And don't be a selfish person, always pray gratitude towards everything. If you have getting, and if you pray gratitude towards anything, then you will receive the thing also, because you are in energy of gratitude, you are energy of surrender and gratitude, that okay, I get this by your grace. Gratitude towards universe, gratitude towards your parents also. So you have to always feel gratitude, because if we think about many things in life, we don't know what will going to be happen and what is going to be happen, but we always find that okay, this will happen and God will make it possible. But when God make it possible, we leave the God and indulge in our activities. But we have to think that yeah, gratitude is very important, because you are getting many things, but there are in some place and some world that some people are not getting what you are getting, so you have to feel lucky about that thing. If you are a hard working person, you are a hard working because you have a hand and leg God has given you. You have eyes so you can do your work. Many people don't have that. Yeah, it is a reality. So always be gratitude towards God. Don't blame God that they not give me, you have not given me that. He will give you. If you getting $2,000 and your gods, and you are saying God, okay God, I want more. Okay, you want more. Okay, you want more. But what about you? What you are getting? Have you said thank you to the God? No, you are just enjoying that fruit and enjoy, and then say God, I want more. I want more. I want more. Like if someone come to my place and ask me something about, and I will give you them, and they say okay, and if someone come to my place and ask me something and they say thank you very much for giving, I will be happy, because they are showing gratitude, they are saying thank you. It will not change anything, but I will feel happy na? So what gratitude is, it is a very important. Always feel gratitude towards God, because this earth, this universe is not what you think. It is a very complicated thing. Everyone is doing something, and we don't know what are we in this world. We are like a squirrel in this world, Gilhari. You can say that we don't have any existence in this world, but we are existing because of God. We are existing because of our parents. So have pay gratitude towards that. If your loved ones do something for you, you have to say gratitude towards that, because that's what you have to learn. And universe is very universe is listening you have to say to universe that okay, I want this. But after you get that, say thank you. If you will not get that, then also so thank you. Yeah, it is a very difficult to say thank you about what you are not getting, but if you will work hard anything, and if you will not afraid of something to achieve, you will get that thing, because a stubborn heart can make a thing possible very good. So it is very important to have a gratitude in life, and in my opinion, everyone should, in the morning, in the night, have a journal of gratitude. I am getting that. If you will not getting that, if you want that, also say that okay, I have get this, thank you God, I have get that, thank you God. Because when you will write that and you will thank you, that your energy and frequency will match to that frequency of getting, then maybe you will get that, maybe not you will get that. So always pay gratitude, and thank you very much, love you all, and please like, subscribe my channel. I don't have many subscribers, please.